Hello, my name is Chaim Chait. I have a question regarding relativity. If you know relativity and you think I'm wrong or right, please let me know. You can find me, you can reach me at Chaim Chait Gmail or Facebook. My question is so simple that I'm quite surprised that I'm probably, just as far as I know, the first one to ask this question. If I'm right, it maybe should echo very, very far. It should echo very, very far and even undermine the whole theory. Let me begin by quoting Szymanski and Young at the preface of the chapter to relativistic mechanics. And in the preface, they tell the student this. In studying this material, you must be prepared to confront some ideas that at first sight will be seen too strange to be believed, and you must learn to mistrust intuition with dealing with phenomena far removed from everyday experience. This sentence is a bomb. First of all, what do you mean mistrust intuition? You must convert yourself to a different intuition based on different set of factual facts. They're dealing with phenomena far removed from everyday experience. What is that phenomena? That phenomena is the mind-boggling conclusion of relativity. The time flows differently time is conceived differently for different observers. What are they observing? Okay. The Albert Einstein, I've drawn this portrait by the way, who has developed and invented the theory of relativity, used to play mind games. And this mind game, as far as I know, is the basic idea that all the theory of relativity has erupted from. And this is the seed that all relativity has evolved of. And what is the experiment? It's a mind experiment. The mind experiment, as was conceived in this genius mind of Albert Einstein, is made of an imaginary device. It's an imaginary device. It's called the light clock. What is a light clock? It's a very simple device. The device is made of two mirrors, and light advances up and down endlessly and tirelessly between the two mirrors. And the question that arose in Albert's marvelous brain was, how will the light will be observed in two different inertial systems, as they say it. One observer is moving with the clock, and the other is on a stationary platform. Very simple. A light clock held with one observer on a train, very, very, very fast moving train. The other observer is observing the same device, the same light clock, from a stationary position. They put it on Lorentz's transformations formulas, and they found that there is time dilation each observer will observe it differently, and the conclusion is endless stories and all imaginary Back to the Future film. It states like if it travels fast enough time can go back in time. The two twin brothers, they will be separated, and one will fly very fast on a rocket, very fast. When next time they'll meet, he'll be younger than his brother on Earth, etc., etc. And I say, let us say in brackets, just for the interest, that I'm 60 years old, you can see my hair. In my last 30 years, I'm chasing the biggest question I think there is, what the fuck is time? Some other time, if you be interested, I will share it with you. At the meantime, just want you to help me to say whether I'm right or wrong regarding the validity of the light clock. Though it is a mind game, I say it's wrong. It's not physics. It doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? So simple. The basic feature of light, maybe the very first character you can put to light, is that light that travels from A to B can be seen or detected or observed, or whatever verb you choose, only along the line of A to B. It cannot be seen, detected, etc. on any point scenes that is not on the line AB. And if we go back to the light clock, the light will never escape the device and will never be seen or detected or observed by any observer. It's so simple. And I'm so surprised that I'm the first, as far as I know, to ask this question. Furthermore, I've approached with this question more than one time professors and PhDs in physics, and they never come with an answer, and it's very strange. They escape the question. They don't want to answer me. Even one says, so what if it's not a factual experiment? It's a mind experiment. So what if it's a mind experiment must be established on emotions and ideas, but it must make sense. This device does not make sense. So if all relativity is established on this experiment, then it makes me my belief in the invalidity of relativity at all. It makes me feel even stronger. Please help me with this dilemma. Carhart, Gmail, or Facebook. I thank you very much. I appreciate your attention, and shalom. Bye-bye. Thank you.